Hi guys, welcome to Services of DC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about page layouts in Salesforce. What is page layout? Page layout in Salesforce allows us to customize the design and organization of details and edit pages of records in Salesforce. Page layouts controls the layout and organization of buttons, fields, S controls, visual force, custom links and related list on object record pages. If you not know these things, we will be covering these details in our upcoming videos. Page layouts also helps to determine which fields are to be visible, read-only and required. Use page layouts to customize the contents of the record pages for your users. We can customize the page layout just using drag and drop. Simply we can say that page layouts helps us to manage the contents of the record page in our classic UI and in Lightning experience. We can group the fields by sections in page layouts. After customization of page layouts, we also can see the preview of the page layout. Special note, page layout in Salesforce are created along with the object creation. So always a page layout will be there before creating a new page layout because it is created at the time of object creation. Now let's go to the demo, create page layout here. Go to the setup and go to the object manager and choose any object that you would like to create a page layout and click page layout button. Here you can see student layout for a student object. It is created at the time of object creation. This is what I said earlier in the note. Now click the new button for creating the new page layout and please give some page layout name here. This existing page layout dropbox, it will contain all the old page layouts of student object. If you want to use any of the feature in this layout, you can choose this and click save so that existing feature of student layout will be enabled in student edit layout also. Click save button. Once you save the page layout, this page layout editor will be opened here. This is where you have to customize the page layout according to your wish. Click the save button so that page layout will be saved. This is how we have to create a page layout. We will see page layout editor in our upcoming video. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.